Good.
I like the movie I like the part when he goes like this.
How small?
This small.
Oh.
How small? How small?
It's this small. It's a tiny.
And what is it again? No, but what character is it, baby?
It's the raccoon. It's a big blasting raccoon.
Oh.
Even on the movie, he's in a helicopter, and the toy, he's this small, and he's doing this.
Here, show me, Jade. I want to see. How?
And that's the raccoon?
This is the little toy raccoon.
Oh.
This is big blasting raccoon on it when he's a toy.
Oh, okay.
That's when he's a toy. And he's this small. And he's a little, and his name is Big Blasting Raccoon because he's a raccoon and he's big.
Oh, yeah.
But in the helicopter, it's like this.
I want to take this.
Because helicopters have buttons that you do this with. Only use your thumb on helicopters. So he's like this in the helicopter.
You don't need top.
And I like the part when he does this.